In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy step on how to download Monopoly Go on your PC. If you want to get the famous Monopoly Go game on your PC, then here is how you can do it. First, you'll need to download BlueStacks Android emulator so that you can access the game with it. Open up a preferred web browser first and then go to the search box and type in bluestacks.com and search. Once you end up in the official site for BlueStacks, click the download button appearing on the left-hand corner of the screen and then follow through the prompt. Once the BlueStacks installer file has been downloaded, click on the Open File button right underneath and then wait for the application to be installed. Your installation process should begin. Now click the install button and then follow the prompts till the end. After BlueStacks Android emulator has been installed, you can go ahead and search for games or apps in the search box. Go to the top of the screen and type in Monopoly Go. Once you make the search, you should be able to see the list of applications that has been filtered. Now, click on this Monopoly Go board game option at the top and then click on Install via Google Play. This will now start up your BlueStacks app player. You'll now be redirected to the sign-in page for Google Play. Click the Sign In tab. Enter your Google account's credentials. Enter your email or phone number associated with Google account and click on the Next button. Now, enter your password for your Google account on the next page and click Next again. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy of Google Play by clicking I agree. And then, once you are logged into your Google account, you'll be able to see the game in the display. Click the install button right next to it to begin the download process. Now wait until the application gets downloaded and you'll be able to play Monopoly Go on your PC. So that is how you can easily download Monopoly Go on PC. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video again. Goodbye till then.